Hello, everybody. Hope all of you are doing wonderful. So, there is a trending question which is going on around the YouTube search and over different places. So, the question I saw, which people were looking for, is which job role conducts experiments and uses techniques like machine learning to build and train data models to find patterns, predict outcomes, and produce actionable insights for businesses? The clear answer is data scientists. Data scientists are the one turning raw data into valuable insights that help businesses make smarter decisions and predict what's coming next. So, what does a data scientist do? The second question might be data scientists don't just analyze data, they experiment, build models, and use machine learning to identify trends and make forecasts. Here's a quick breakdown of their responsibility. Number one would be data collection and preparation. They gather data from multiple sources, clean it up, and get it ready for analysis. This is crucial because messy data lead to unreliable results. Number two would be modeling and experimentation. Using machine learning, they build model to predict outcome. For instance, in e-commerce, they might forecast which products will be popular next season, helping business stay ahead of the trend. Number three would be data analysis and interpretation. They don't stop at building models. They dive deep into results to uncover actionable insights like customer preferences or sales trend, which help businesses tailor their strategies. Number fourth would be visualization and communication. Data scientists are skilled at presenting complex data in clear visual format that anyone on the team can understand and act upon. The next important question would be what skills make a great data scientist? A strong data scientist knows programming languages like Python and SQL and is skilled in statistics, machine learning, and data visualization, and ideally understand their industry, whether it's finance, healthcare, or retail. So, what might be the real world impact of data scientists? In healthcare, predictive models are used for early disease detection. In finance, they are catching fraud in real time. And in retail, recommendation systems suggest product to customers, boosting engagement and hence sales. So to wrap it up, the data scientist's role is crucial. They turn raw data into insight that drive strategies and innovation. So if you're curious and analytical and love working with data, this might be perfect role for you. Thanks for tuning in.